My name is Scott Needham. I'm the owner of ProQual Landscaping. We've been in business for 19 years. Focus on landscape management services for large-scale master plan communities. We integrated with SmartLink and Weathermatic several years ago to really help standardize and implement a water management and water conservation process and standardize it throughout our communities. You know, water conservation is really important here in the Southwest and Arizona specifically. You know, we really focus managing over 1 billion gallons of water. We really focus on making sure we're being as efficient as possible.
There was an instance where we had a flower bed that, it got a leak on the system. Before in the past, we had to go out there and shut the valve off, turn the controller off, but instead they told us, hey, it's in this corner. We knew exactly what zone it was. We just, at the press of a button, we were able to shut that zone off, and it's 30, 40 minutes of watering that we saved.
It's, one of the coolest things is when we look at SmartLink, and as the irrigation tech starts his day, he automatically looks at the faults that are being reported by the software. Those are usually 99% of the time billable actions. So as we look through SmartLink, we look at the alerts, the irrigation tech goes and attacks those alerts.
You know, it really has helped us to be more efficient. We're able to control our irrigation systems from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Yeah, knowing what I know now, I wish I found SmartLink sooner. I would implement it as fast as possible and start utilizing it to make my business better and to make my business more efficient, to help my customers save water.